58. Oh, man, he crashed.
Hi Amritsar, let's be honest, finding a home appliance repair is not easy nowadays. Getting the repair done is easy, but getting the repair done properly, that's the real deal. That's why Applicare exists. We handle repair and service for all your major home appliances, AC, washing machine, fridge, microwave, etc. right at your doorstep. We are backed by 26 plus years of experience and a strong network of expert technicians. Applicare is currently active in 25 plus cities across India and we give a 6-month service warranty. If you can't repair your appliance, you get a money back guarantee. So save the number. You might not need it today, but when you do, you'll be glad you had it.